everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add audio in Canva while editing your video. So first open Canva and select your video project. Once you are inside the editor, look at the left hand panel and click on the audio tab. Here you will find Canva's music library with free and premium tracks. You can also upload your own videos by clicking on upload and then upload files. Next, you just have to drag the audio track and drop it into the timeline. You can trim it, adjust the start and end points, or even you can control the volumes by click on the sound waves and by moving the slider. Now if you want multiple tracks, just drag them one by one. Canva also let you fade audio in or out for the smooth effect. Once you are happy with your edits, click on the share button to download and your video will be exported with the audio including. So that's it. That's how you can easily add audio in Canva video editing. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.